Alright folks, let's first listen to this classic animal world sound.
This baboon is kidnapping a lion cub. And this one is stealing a leopard cub.
Now listen to the same voice cloned using this new AI, but this time it's reading an entirely different sci-fi line.
Do not be afraid to fall into the abyss, because only in the deepest darkness can you see the faintest, yet most resilient, starlight. That is nothing else but your own unextinguishable soul. Stand up. Take back your brush.
Can you believe it? It's almost identical. The tone, the cadence, that serious narrative vibe. The power of this new AI is truly monster level. It's just insane. It not only does this S-tier voice cloning, but it also creates ultra high quality text-to-speech narration. It supports so many languages, it's overwhelming. But the craziest part? As I'm recording this video, it's 100% free and completely unlimited. I don't know how long this free lunch will last, so you'd better seize the opportunity. Let me break this tool down for you. Alright, this tool is called LMNT. As you can see, it says unlimited and studio quality cloning on the homepage. It claims that with just 5 seconds of audio, it can perfectly replicate any voice. And it supports switching between 24 different cloned voices. Guys, unlimited. You better use it now while you can. Now, to get started, click on Start Now at the top. You'll be guided to the main dashboard. You can log in with your Google account. Super simple, no barriers. Once you're in, you'll see 2 core features: text-to-speech and voice cloning. Let's start with the text-to-speech feature and see what its limits are. I grabbed a long script from my No Inventory channel. Look, this script is really long. Let's just copy this huge chunk, see? When I paste it in, it's a pretty big block of text. It handles long text without any problem. On the right side, you'll see the voice library and language library. We'll pick English. Then for the voice, there are a lot of options. You see, it even labels them with styles like marketing expert, ASMR, radio host. We'll choose the storyteller option. You can also have the AI write stories for you, but today we're using our own script. Ready? Watch closely, hit generate. Almost instantaneously, I didn't even finish my sentence and it's done. The speed is almost illegal. Now listen to the quality of this.
Just moments ago, Chief Engineer Alara sent me her final report. Her voice was broken by static, but I heard the desperation clearly. The temporal drive is destabilizing.
What do you think? The quality, the emotion. This isn't the cheap robotic voices you're used to. This is real neuron-level speech. It's an A+ productivity tool. Let's change the voice now. We'll select Content Creator. I'll paste the remaining script. Again, watch how fast this happens. I'm still talking. Look, done.
Until one day,
Under 5
upon my
seconds.
very first
This is
sketch.
crazy. Now listen to this voice.
Until one day, I stumbled upon my very first sketchbook. It was from when I was just starting out. The lines were naive, the composition clumsy, but every single stroke was filled with an unasked passion. I saw that younger version of myself, who had scribbled on the page, "I don't want to change the world. I just want to not let the world change me."
This isn't just about pixels on a screen. This is about your vision, your story. Don't just create content, create a connection. That's the real secret. Did you hear that? The natural pauses, the breathing. It perfectly mimics the pacing of a real person telling a story. Its power is just insane. All right, the link to the tool will be in the description. But don't go anywhere. Now we're getting into the most exciting part, voice cloning. Let's head to the cloning page. First, you'll need to give your voice a name. I'll call mine Blogger Clone Voice. Then select the gender. Next, you can either upload an existing audio file or record a new one. I'll upload a dry recording of mine from a previous video. It's very short. It's authorized for my audio. Click Create Clone. Again, the speed is mind-blowing. In less than a minute, it's done. Now my voice is in the list. We'll use my cloned voice to read the same script. I'll select the language properly to ensure everything's correct. Hit Generate. Okay, let's hear the result.
Until one day, I stumbled upon my very first sketchbook. It was from when I was just starting out. The lines were naive, the composition clumsy, but every single stroke was filled with an unashtered passion. I saw that younger version of myself who had scribbled on the page, "I don't want to change the world, I just want to not let the world change me." In that instant, something hit me. I realized I had lost my way because I was chasing the approval of others, instead of staying true to my own original purpose.
Oh my God. This is my voice. The tone, the speech habits, the pauses. It's all there. But I'm not done yet. I cloned another completely different voice, one that's deeper and more narrative. Still using the same script, hit Generate. Again, it's done instantly. This speed is unreal. This is absolutely the most addictive feature of this tool. Now listen to this.
Until one day, I stumbled upon my very first sketchbook. It was from when I was just starting out. The lines were naive, the composition clumsy, but every single stroke was filled with an unashtered passion. I saw that younger version of myself who had scribbled on the page.
Honestly, this version is the most mind-blowing one for me so far. I'm speechless. Guys, while it's still 100% free and unlimited, hurry up and use it. Start creating the voices you want. It might have limitations for super long audios, like over 4 minutes. But who cares? You can always split and stitch it together just like we did in our previous tutorial. Pip it. I'll say it again. I don't know how long this free lunch will last. Go ahead and clone your family's voices or use it for some fun pranks, or even make videos with voices like SpongeBob or Batman. The possibilities are endless. Finally, if you think this tool is valuable, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be bringing you cutting-edge AI tools like this every day. We're charging towards 20,000 subscribers. See you in the next video.
This is just the beginning. I'll show you more crazy AI tools to unleash your creativity. Stay tuned.